Let's say you have an AI research paper and you take a screenshot and you want to use AI like ChatGPT to explain to you the meaning of this mathematics so you can understand it. I made a micro research experiment where I tested 5 different prompting strategies and found out which one is the best to get the AI to explain this to you. The first type of prompt is basic. Please explain the mathematical concepts shown in the screenshot in clear, simple terms. The second type is structured, so I have a lot more instructions like how to go about it. So this is the prompt. So break down step by step why this is important, etc. Then we have Socratic. It's about first asking questions, 3 to 5 key questions, and then answering those questions. Then there is Analogy. So basically AI is trying to explain by comparing it to some like analogy in the real world. For example, if it's explaining gradient descent, it's gonna talk about a climber of a mountain trying to find the steepest way down. Then we have multi-agent debate. So we have explainer agent, simplifier agent, and critic agent, and they are doing their jobs, and critic can decide if the explanation is complete, or it can also call these agents again. I gave it 3 right here, etc. Here is the graphic that we can take a look at. Now, the first thing we notice is that structured and Socratic perform the best. And so we also have here, so Socratic and structured. Socratic is the questions. Structured, we have 3 attempts for each of these. So this is a low amount of attempts because these credits are kind of expensive. So I just wanted to do this experiment quickly to show you maybe how to replicate it as well. We're going to look at the code later. So the mean of structure is 3.33 and standard deviation 0.58 and maximum 4 and minimum 3, and same for Socratic. So this is the mean and standard deviation, this is the maximum value. And then we can see here the basic is next, maximum value here, mean standard deviation. And then Analogy, actually I think I accidentally, or the experiment gave a point, score 2 to Analogy every time. So that's why everything is at 2 here. Maximum mean standard deviation. And then multi-agent performed worse because it actually failed. It didn't do what I wanted it to do. So this was a failed setup. Now I decided not to go back and start everything again, fix this, because well, my university professor said that even if it fails, it's still an experiment result, and I wanted to do the next experiment, so I just left it like this. This one is failed. We need to maybe do it again. If I want to do next experiment, then I would just go and take structured, for example, and then make different versions of structured prompt and then grade them. Also, maybe I want to redo this multi-agent because it's completely not properly set up. So if we take a quick look through the code, we have processing of the image, loading of the screenshot. Then we have calling the API. I'm calling 3.5 Sonnet latest version, giving it the image. And then this is get user rating. After that, we have this load or create results. So this is the file results. And then we have save result, the latest result. So it's going to save the prompt and the score. And this is the big run experiment function that loads image, create this experiment dictionary with timestamp, image path, and explanations. And this is for prompts keys. So this is running each prompt separately. So prompt type in prompts keys. You're going to say image data. And then we're going to print explanation and then get user rating. And then store the user rating. So rating and explanation. Okay, so this is loading the existing results and appending any new experiment results and then saving it. And so this main will run the function. We also got here the rating heat map. So the red ones are the highest scored ones. And then white is the lowest score. And we also have character like response length. So Socratic and structured have high length and also get high score. So maybe there is a correlation between high length of the response and high score. But analogy got a lot lower score and it has high length, so. And then multi-agent also in basic. So there is a correlation between length and high score, I think. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about AI research science, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.